Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update. How to add your WhatsApp number to your Instagram profile using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit your Instagram account. Make sure you log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile page. Now, it's time to edit your profile. Tap on the Edit Profile button, which you'll find just below your profile info. This is where the magic happens. Next, scroll down until you see the Bio section. This is the perfect place to add your WhatsApp number. Simply type in your number, ensuring you format it correctly for your audience. For example, you might want to include your country code for easier access. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Submit button, and that's it. You've successfully added your WhatsApp number to your Instagram profile using your PC. Now, your followers can easily reach out to you via WhatsApp, making communication so much simpler. Remember to check back for more updates and tips on maximizing your social media experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.